So yes, welcome once again. This is Milk Derive, and remember that all we do is Milk Derive. So today we had a signal in the VIP where I asked them to sell volatility 100 index, and this is the profit. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how I got about the signal, how I analyze the market with price action strategy that I use for all my trading. And then in this same video, I'll teach you how it's done so that you can do it yourself. Before we continue, I'll first of all say that Milk Drive Group is a forex oriented group. We offer signals, we offer account management services, we offer mentorship services, and we teach the most valuable part of forex, which is price action. And I keep saying this in all my videos: indicators are not the best guide to finding signals, or they are not the best guides to milking the market. One thing you must understand, that whenever you're going with indicators, you are either scalping and gambling, or you are day trading and gambling. Your hope is on God. If as a Christian, on God; as a Muslim, on Allah, and all those. So I don't really want to waste much of your time in trying to convince you about the means of trading with price action. In this video, I'm just going to tell you how I got about this signal. As you can see, the signal gave us a profit from $117 to close to $1,200 and something dollars, and we're still trading it. The same signal gave us this. Gave us this. This is $100, and from the $100 it gave us $170. Although this particular one I entered late, I'm going to also show you this one. I entered late, and that was why this happened. We had already given the signal in the VIP group since morning. We've been riding the blue horse of the sell on this particular trade for more than 6 hours. And then when it was close to eve, I asked them to re-enter for those who didn't take the first signal, or for those who wanted to enter. And those who re-entered, this was a profit it was giving them at the particular point in time. But the one it has been given since we started was this particular one. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the video. I'm going to explain how we're going to run the forex market, how I got about this signal, and how you can get about the signal yourself. Thank you very much. This is Milk Drive. Let's go into the video. So yeah, welcome once again, Milk Drive Group. Let's quickly go into what we have for the video, what we have for this particular segment of the video. Now, as you can see, this is the signal that was sent, and I have asked them here. I said sell volatility 100 index, SL4624, TP14501, TP24452, TP34435. This was the first signal given, and you can see the arrow pointing downwards, and then you can this is the arrow pointing downwards. Now this is for the one we re-entered again. Actually, the one that we re-entered again that gave us this particular profit. This is the one we re-entered. Okay, sorry, it's not. This is the one we're riding on. Sorry for that mistake. Very sorry for that mistake. This is the one we're riding on. So as you can see, the arrow was made towards the downwards part, and then you can see the market went even exactly as we asked it to. So now, how did this come about? How did we get this? How did this become possible? That is what this video is specially meant for. Remember that for you to get more interesting videos like this from me and from my team, it's very, very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, the notification channel bell, I think so, and you'll receive information from us. And if you want to contact Milk Derive, our official website is www.milkderivefsgroup.com. Our Instagram page is Forex Volatility Indices. Forex Volatility Indices. Our Facebook page is Forex Volatility and Boom and Crash, I think so. Telegram, I'm going to put the picture on the screen so that you'll be able to see it. So let's quickly go into how this is done. Thank you. This is Milk Drive. Let's go to this is done. According to what I'm seeing here, because it's an account management, the person added $100. As you can see, how all our trade hit TP, and we totally milk the market for the person. So yes guys, welcome again. Let's quickly go into what we have for the day. I don't want to waste your time in this particular video. Now, as you can see, there are different things you're seeing in this market. You're seeing a lot of trend lines, from what you saw normally. You're seeing a lot of trend lines. You're seeing a buy, you're seeing a sell, and you're asking yourself, how is this possible? Why am I doing this? And all those. Now, like I said in the former video when I was talking about how I got the trade and the analysis for V75S, I said that behind the scenes you will see a lot of things like this, but when I'm giving signals and I want to screenshot and show the people what to trade on, I may just show them something like this and all this. Now, but behind the scenes, before we get the signal, there are a lot of things you will see. There are a lot of market movement. There are a lot of things we'll draw. There are a lot of trend lines. There are a lot of horizontal and vertical lines to draw and all those. And then another thing, as you can see, there's a buy and there's a sell. Now I want to say that in this my account, I'm currently holding the buy because the buy is a long trade for day traders. I'm day trading this, but I just scalped the sell. So the buy is there, to help me know that actually this market is buying. Now I'm going to delete everything I've done here, and then I'm going to redo the whole stuff, and you understand it. Watch it. And don't forget that Milk Drive Group is a forex oriented group, and that you can contact Milk Drive Group at Instagram at Forex Volatility, and this is Facebook at Forex and Boom and Crash, and then all those. Now quickly, I will draw it. Like I said in the former video, you first of all go to the higher time frame and find the overall trend of the market, and then where the market is moving. As you can see, this market is going up. So I'm going to do a trending market. Actually, when I was generating this trade, I use what is called Fibonacci retracement level, this thing here, to generate the trade too. But in this YouTube channel, I'm not really going to show you how I used it. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm going to actually show you how I use the trend lines and find it, but I won't show you how I use this Fibonacci retracement levels to show you that, because I think it's something specially for my mentorship class. So but I will show you how I use the trend lines to get the trade. Now let's draw a trend line for this thing, so you understand what I saw in the trade, what made me, as you can see, where I bought here, where I bought the V75, the V100. You can see where I bought at sniper entry, and I've milked it, and I'm holding it because it's a day trade. Why I sold here for scalping at sniper. Let me this is a 1 minute time frame. Let me show you where I sold. Let's go to 5 minutes. At sniper, I've sold at sniper, and the market is moving my direction. See, these things are possible, very, very possible. Listen, I'll tell you the truth about forex market. I make losses too. I make losses and I blow accounts sometimes, but I'm telling you the truth. Most of people who have come in contact with me would know that with a 200, what am I saying, 200, with a $100 account, you may see me putting a lot of lot sizes to trade the accounts, because most of my trades don't retrace. This is one thing I love about this strategy, this price action strategy that I teach. Most of my most, not all actually, most of my trades don't retrace. All the things I've been showing you in these YouTube channels are sniper entry. You've seen me grow $33 to $1,000 something dollars. It's not as if it's impossible. It's not as if it's imaginable, impossible. It's a sniper. The trade entered as sniper. No matter the lot size that was used, the trade entered as sniper, and it began to sell from that point. This is exactly what is happening here. Look at this. The same thing here. If you go to the buy I also did, you can see here the same thing. Trades going at sniper entry to give me what I want. So it's very, very possible. Once the trend line reached, there are some things I've told the mentorship class. I don't really want to say it in this channel because the channel is free, and it will be somehow if those who actually paid for the knowledge and then the stuff is given to others free is not really good, because a lot of people have already paid for it. But I'm going to try my best in trying to help people who are viewing this particular video to maybe understand the concept behind the forex market. You can trade on this is my personal strategy. This is what I use. I don't know if any other trader uses it. I don't know, but this is something I found myself after years. Okay, it's not up to years. After months of trading demo accounts, of blowing accounts, and then I found out this strategy myself through the help of the creator of heaven and earth. Yeah, because it's not really by man's understanding and all this. So I'm just trying to tell you this, that is why it is I'm just giving you a whole coverage of it. You can find your own strategy, but price action is the best. Is better than indicators. I don't really want to waste your time. Let's just quickly show how this was done. As you can see, I bought and then I'm selling for this thing, and I'm actually going to close this sale once I'm done with this video, because the trade reached where I wanted it to reach, but it's all good. So let's just quickly draw it so that I will show you. If you don't know how these trend lines are drawn, you can refer back to the video where I showed that. Now, normally this is a zigzag movement of the market, although there were some fake breakouts, and then there was this thing here. There was what's it called again? The head and shoulder pattern here, formed. I think, okay, is that a head and head and shoulder? But now, when I drew this at first, this was what I had. And then I took my buy here, and I believe it's going to reach up to this point. Now, one thing I must say about forex is this: nobody will tell you this. I doubt anybody will tell you this, but let me tell you, this is the truth. What I'm about to tell you is the truth. When I started making good profits in forex market, I found out about something. Why is it that traders, when they are trading the market, once they have a little profit of $100, $200, they become scared and they close the market? Why? But if you have an equity of $500 in your account, and then your trade is going at loss, it will be very hard for you to close the trade. Rather, you'd watch the account blow. So when these brokers, or when the market is trading against you and then is making you blow accounts, regardless of whatsoever amount of equity you have this feeling that yes, you can allow it, and then the account blow. But when you're making profit, you become so eager to close it. Why not allow your profits reach the end you want it to reach? And that is one thing about strategy. Strategy will not give you a TP. I've not seen one strategy that gives TP. I've not seen. This is this stochastics that I used one of the times. That one that we show you they say is high level, or I've forgotten most of the things, most of the terminologies we used when we were trying to explain those things. It will not give you TP. That one that is rectangular, and then the market will be going in a spiral manner, and then once it reaches the higher top, you say it's TP. Sometimes it will be there and it will still be going. So it's not actually TP. Price action market will give you TP of a market. Will give you the SL. Will give you. When I took this trade with my VIP members, this was around this area was our SL. Around this area, because we drew a lot of trend lines. I drew a lot of trend lines before, we got about something like that. Around this area was our SL. Okay, sorry, this is wrongly drawn. Sorry for that. Because this here is not really a point here. Around this area was our SL. And as you can see, the market is moving the way we want. It may not always happen all the time, because there are sometimes I have losses. Because if you watch this market now, this here is actually a fake breakout, and most of the times there's nothing actually to indicate a fake breakout. And so if I've taken the trade there, I may actually have gotten stopped out or even blown an account. But it's very few times. Most of the times you see that we gain more than we lose. That's the main purpose of forex.
That's why if someone comes to me and said I want to trade forex, I want to go and borrow money, I tell the person, don't borrow money, don't go and borrow anything, because you may borrow money and then the money you borrowed, maybe you entered the group at the very wrong time, and then maybe that's when we got our first loss. You blow account, you come and say it's me. Don't borrow money for free. Someone actually borrowed money, paid for my signal, and then was telling me after he paid that he borrowed money. I told him take his money back. I removed him I gave him his money back, because forex, as good as it is, as loving as I love it, I do know, I personally am telling you, I make losses. You see this profit I'm showing you, $1,000, $2,000, all those things. That is how the losses come too. If it's time for loss, yeah, that's that $200 account that you see me grow to $3,000. If losses is coming, the $200 account will just go like that. Well, let's quickly just go into what we have to say. I don't know why I'm always diverting, and saying things that are not really really important. Sorry for that. So after drawing this, so all this were what we drew for the confirmation of this buy signal here. You can see it ranged for a while, and then at where we bought it is there buying. I am actually to show you how we got the sell one. Let's just draw the market. Okay. Yeah. You can see this has formed a resistance here, so I'm drawing it across there. We formed the resistance there. Yeah. So I'm drawing it across there. But that's not really what I saw, and then I make the trade. Of course, I told you that I already saw something from the Fibonacci retracement level, and I'm currently working on my second video book as of the time for the production of this video, and I'm putting the Fibonacci retracement level in it. One important topic about price action I'd love people who really want to learn about price action to look into is the Elliott wave principle. I teach it though, but you can get access to it online. You can go search about it. I'm sure you'll find some things. It's very, very helpful. Elliott wave principles is very, very helpful in the forex market, and you love it. So as you can see here, there's two collision of lines indicating that yes, this market wants to go down, and then I sold it, but it's not really it. Because I know after finding what I found from the Fibonacci retracement level, I did some other analysis before getting to the market. But as you can see, the market is following the direction and the way we're giving it. So the market is very simple with us. It's very, very easy to trade forex. I keep telling people this. You may make losses, quite all right, but when the profits are coming, allow your profits to reach. Allow it to hit your TP. Allow the profit to hit your TP. So that when you hit your TP, you have a lot of money. Not you have small money from just a trade that is 100%, 99% sure of going. You just pick small change from it. And then when you're making loss, you now make bigger losses. Of course not. It's very bad. So yeah, this is Milk Drive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. This is Milk Drive. Thank you very much.